Hi guys, this is a Cotek pure sine inverter and I was able to repair almost everything. This unit was in a flood, it was working in water, but there is one problem. I can solve it. It's working only 30 seconds and after that automatically shut down. I don't know why. I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, 224 volts. I'm gonna turn on. Status LED is blinking. That is not normal. It should be solid on, like input level. Let's stay a little and it better shut down. That's right, it's shut down. In manual of Cotek, status a LED, when it's slow blink, it should be in power saving mode. But this isn't power saving mode. I didn't switch the S to 3 switches. Now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn on. I'm gonna switch this little switch and turn on. As you can see, it's working about 7 seconds and then go in power saving mode, as you can see. And then after 30 seconds again shut down. I don't know why. So if somebody knows what's the problem, I just wanna know if this sequence of blinking in saving mode of my inverter correct. I didn't see any video on YouTube showing saving mode of this inverter, Semlex or Go Power, because they are almost the same and have the same control board. This one, and should be the same blinking. So if somebody have video or knows, please reply. Thanks for watching.